Ya tureba episode ya 7 tugenda tugana ku musuzo. Beauty in Black. Yo Tyler Perry nk'ibisanzwe nibo wamenyemo ku Gasobanuye films.com. Yo
I almost died.
umva habuze gato ngo mfi ariko ntabwo wapfuye. Bano bafatanye mu twabibonye.
Let her go.
Ruby Mallory,
Welcome to the family.
urakaza neza mu muryango.
To meet our new boss.
Ruby
Like you the problem.
So you're gonna piss on me when I'm dead?
arya ngo urashaka kuzanyaraho napfusha muzehe munyayi wakiri muzima. Uyu nawe hano twari turi twasize yisha abantu. Katurori. Yo Ruby yisha abantu mu rugo rwe. Ibintu byo gucyura amaninja y'amagabo noneho bimukozeho. Yisha abantu wari utegereje hanze ahita acaho. Umushoro utegereje hanze ibyo bazana ahita acaho. Yo akonino Rebe nawe yanga kumwitaba yavuye bashwanye. Yanga kumwitaba uyihamagara umuvandimwe we. Ni mu gitondo uyu nguyu abyuka breakfast na akayoga abyukira kuri fimbo.
Where you at?
Uri he?
I stay at this motel.
Ndi muri motel ahantu. Hehe.
It's called the You Can Stay Here
Ni
Motel.
motel yitwa ngo You Can Stay Here Motel.
Fuck no.
Oh yeah.
Well, I can come to you.
Ngenza ngurebe se.
I got a meeting right now, so I
Mfite inama.
can come to you after, okay?
Ndaza gukureba inama nirangira.
After last night.
Nyuma y'ijoro rya Israel ibyo wadukoreye ntacyo washaka ngo kibure cyane.
I will, Daddy.
Yego daddy. Re daddy. Yeah.
Police outside us.
Icyo nibyo numva ni polisi iri hanze.
Always like that around
Muri
here.
quartier niyo polisi hori cyo habari ibibazo.
It's dangerous, huh?
Gusa ngo baye ahantu habi cyane.
Yeah, ain't everybody dangerous?
Ahantu hose se habi cyane ntihateye ubwoba.
I know, Daddy. Cause you can protect a bitch, huh?
Gusa ndabizi ndi kumwe nawe wandinda. Daddy.
Hold on one sec.
Buretse gato.
Alright.
Stay on the line.
Guma ku murongo ntukupe.
What, nigga?
Iki?
I need you to come to my house.
Ndagukeneye ngo uze mu rugo.
Right now, brother.
Ntabwo naza nonaha. Mfite inama.
Bitch.
Look, I need you to come to my house.
Rero nkeneye kubanguka nonaha mu rugo.
Boy, I got robbed.
Nibwe.
Robbed.
Wibwe.
Boy,
She robbing the whole damn company.
Twese turibwa na kampani yacu bari kutwiba. Ntabwo uri kumva ibyo ngubwira.
You, brother, and she's...
Ndakumva. Uriya mugore basigiye kampani n'ubundi twese ari kutwiba. Banzu yumve.
You know what's crazy? You know what's really crazy, brother?
Uriya mugore ni umusazi.
Messing with the same girl that I was...
Ubundi papa yagiye kuryama n'umukobwa nanjye ryamana nawe none kampani ameze nk'uri kuyiba.
Same damn thing. You know what?
Ubwo arashaka kumubwira ibindi.
That time for you and your
Je
bullshit.
nta gihe mfite cyo kumva rero ubugoryi bwawe. Twese turi kubihomberamo.
Advice for you.
Reka ngugire inama ahubwo mwana.
You in that damn office.
Uyu munsi uze kuza mu nama.
Just lie.
boy, I need you.
Banguke. Umva ariko nari guce aramukupa atamubwiye ko mu rugo hari imirambo amukeneye. Cyo shaka kumubwira. Baby. Yo.
You still there?
Na hari shu.
Good, good. Look,
Umva.
we have to my meeting, all right?
Alright.
Ndaguhamagara nyuma y'inama. Sawa.
First ring.
Kindu ite witaba igisona bwa mbere. Yego.
Thank you, Daddy.
Urakoze daddy. Amaninja yamenye ubwenge k'abagabo bakunda icyubahiro. Mu rugo umugabo uramutuka yasohoka hanze amaninja agatangira kumuhamagara daddy. Ibiceri bye byose nyine urumva dada hana bitanga. Ni kubana bi. Yabishyira se umuntu wamusuzuguye. Amaninja. Dore ninja biri kumwita daddy iryamanye no nakubwiye. Uramufite pe wamufasha.
Only from one night.
Ijoro rimwe gusa nahise mufatisha. Bagabo murebe.
Shit, I got you like that, nigga.
Nawe ari kuri kuriya ngo ufite. Yeah.
He called me and left me 3 messages when I was asleep.
Yamamaga nsigira na message 3 nsinzi urumva ukuntu yasaze.
Not what all that coke he be doing.
No. Hagajya ryama ariko biriya biyobyabwenge ngo ntabwo byatuma sinzira. Kokayine kokamenya ituma abantu badasinzira we kokayine. Cicika.
Come on.
What up?
Ese bite?
The hell going on out there?
Ibiki bike mbere.
Homicide.
Hari abantu babiri bapfuye.
Yeah?
Hano.
2 doors down from you.
Hafi ngo rwose yaho utuye. Hari abantu babiri ngo bapfuye. Niho polisi iri.
Oh shit. All right.
Sawa.
Out there.
Dash.
What happened?
Ibintu polisi bigenze bite?
Dead niggas.
Hari amaniga yapfuye.
Man, that ain't nothing around here.
Ntago ari ibintu bishyashya ariko hano abantu barapfa.
I'll be back. Let me get you.
Ndagaruka.
No,
Karambari.
Daddy. No.
Ndagushaka.
I want that pussy, but just give me a minute.
Nanjye ndagushaka ariko mu maya kanya nite kuri business ariko uburyo bavuga babwiranamo ko bashakana ntago ari nkuko ndi kubivuga ngiye ndiyubashye. Yego.
Yeah, I can barely hear you. You there?
Ndiko kumva uri kunyumva?
Yeah, I'm on a plane.
Ndi mu ndege.
You can talk on a plane like this?
mu ndege nuko uvuga se yego
Airline is that?
muri iyo ndege ni nyabaki abantu bari kuri telefone
Private plane.
ni akadege ka purife kanjye bwite ntabwo ari zimwe za rusange
So,
nyoherereza iyo foto umwana
you don't care how I'm doing?
uburyo meze ntacyo bikubwiye cyo bitayo ni indege
How you doing?
umeze ute
You don't give a shit.
ntabwo ubyitayeho ukomeze
Why are you playing these games?
hasi kuki ukina iyo mikino
Oh, I'm playing games.
ndi gukina imikino
Yeah, I mean, you know I don't know you that well. Like,
urabizi ntabwo ndakumenya neza
But I don't really know you.
nubwo tuziranye ariko sinkuzi neza
Honesty.
urakoze kumbwiza ukuri
Thought you wouldn't.
Look, I'm trying to get a hold of Kim.
ndi kugerageza kuvugana na Kimi ariko ntabwo ari kwitaba telefone
She probably didn't answer because you're calling from an unknown number.
wabona uri kumuhamagaza nimero nyine
Tell her to answer.
adafite akaba ariyo mpamvu
Will do.
genda umubwire yitabe telefone
James, he has a credit
James
boy.
araza kugwa ikarita ya banki
Yes,
James
butler.
yewe ukuye abakozi bo mu rugo
Other nigga.
ya niga
Get what you need. Okay,
ku buryo icyo ukeneye uza kukibona
answer phone.
genda ubwire Kimi yitabe telefone
I'll go tell her right now.
kajye kumubwira nonaha bano bantu bitoreye umusaza nanjye ari igihe nzigwira ku muntu nk'uyu ugiye gupfa nsigira imitungo none se kandi hose nayihize bikanga wana voka yimbwa imanutse iye dodo yihuriye n'umusaza none umusaza yavuga ati genda guha ikarita ya banki ishaka burya ku mafaranga
Calling from an unknown number.
muzehe yanga umuryango we iyo nimero iri guhamagara yitabe aritaba alo
You ready?
uriteguye
I'm about to get dressed now.
ndenda kwambara ubu
Make them.
ntugere ku kazi kare utume bagutegereza
Can't stand this waiting.
nimba hari ikintu kibabaza ni ugutegereza rero utinde bagutegereza
It's gonna agitate this
cyane
shit.
cyane kiriya kigori ngo ni royi nutinda urasanga cyagutegereje cyarakaye utinde Olivia na Norman urabazi
Like snakes in the dark.
baraza kuba bicaye hariya bameze nk'inzoka ziri mu mwijima
You enjoying this?
ni bino bintu biri kukunezeza kuba turi kubabaza famiye yawe
Where the bitch is that's about to walk in the door.
ndagira ngo winjire uri ya ninji idasanzwe muri muryango
I have all the confidence and the power.
wibwira ati mfite confidence yose n'imbaraga zose zatuma mbayobora
Power to me.
njye bino bintu nibishya kuri njye
Let me tell you something.
kagira icyo nkubwira umukobwa agiye mu nama n'umuryango ejo mpfuye
The smile on my face.
napfa nishimye
Shit. I get to fuck up their lives.
byibura nejejwe nuko nsize nangisha ubuzima bwa famiye yanjye mbababaje
You have no idea.
ariko barakubabaje cyane we ntabyo uzi
Well,
ibaze famiye kubabaza ku buryo n'iyo ugiye gupfa uvuga ati amafaranga yanjye ntihazagire n'umwe uyaryaho ukemera ukayasigira indayo utoye ku muhanda
I will give you all the tea.
ndaguha ati yose zose kabisa
So when I get to the facility, I'm gonna tap into the
nugerayo ndaza guhita nguhamagara kuri kamera
cases.
kamera ziriyo mbenze kuza kuba mbariba kamera zo mu ma office n'ibiki
Well, that's the next best thing.
You don't see
zaraza mbega kuba byose bikurikiranye biri kuhabera
Out.
own that room, Kimmy.
kimi kiriya cyumba ukigere mumenye nk'aho uri nyiracyo uri boss
I'm trying.
ndi kugerageza wigerageza
Jules,
uri bukajire
did to you.
uri bukajuruzi ibyo yagukoreye
Now you getting me there.
He trafficked you.
yarakugurishije
Norman. That's
afatanije n'umuvandimwe wanjye Norman
off you like you were from some
bariye amafaranga menshi mu kugucuruza
licking their lips to make even more off of little Sylvie.
bari banejejwe no gucuruza karumuna kawe Sylvie ntubababarire
Good at that.
ya ndabikora
Yeah. The way Roy humiliated me.
uburyo umuhungu wawe Roy nawe yansebejemo
It's my girl.
aha uri kubyumva noneho
The real Kimmy to walk in there?
uragira ngo Kimi wanyabare winjira hariya cyane
Motherfuckers.
Kimi w'umuribwa bari winjira hariya bababaza Kimi ararakara kuzikara ibyo barabaginga ndabiryaho ndabishe Kimi arabyuka yambara ajye mu nama nka madamu uyu niwe CEO mushya yatumije inama y'umuryango ngagomba kugera yatinze tangawizi azishyira mu rukweto rebe katurure akurino
What we got?
mbese bite
One of ours.
Oh.
Shake.
ni umwe mu bantu bacu sheke niwe wapfuye
Digger.
ndetse na daga sheke na daga bapfuye
Girl.
wa mukobwa mutari
found.
twamubuze ni kagakobwa gato
Nah, man.
kahise gacika kari gato ntabwo ariko kishe bano bantu
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
uravuga ukuri
You ask me, man. This looks professional.
umuntu wishe bano bantu urabona ko ari umuprofesiyoneri
Somebody got that bitch.
iriya ndaya kabisa bayihaye
Wrong one.
menyamenyereye umuntu utamenyereye
Rain was at the club last night.
ijoro rya Israel yari ari kuri club
I left you some messages.
nakwandikiye message
What was she doing there?
yakoraga iki
I guess she was just hanging out, but I definitely saw her talk to the young chick.
ndabona avugana na ka karaya gatonya twari twazanye
So she did this.
bivuze ngo Rweni niwe wabishe
Rain ain't no professional shit.
Rweni ntabwo ari umuprofesiyoneri ntabwo yakwica abantu gutya
Some with a nigga who is.
ubwo Rweni yazanye n'umusore rubizi
Us.
ari we ndetse aziranye na bosi wacu bamuhaye umuntu uravuga ukuri
Who was she with?
Rweni nijoro ari kumwe nande
Alex was driving her.
na Alex amutwaye
Alex?
Alex officer yego
So this is his work.
bivuze ngo Alex ashobora kuba ari wishe abana bibwiwe na Rain kandi koko nibyo oya
No, Alex ain't doing no shit.
oya Jules Alex ibyo bintu ntabwo yabidukora urabizi neza
Yes.
yego
You got your thumb on him?
wamwishingira
Oh, Alex ain't capable of doing no shit.
Alex ntabwo yakora ibintu nk'ibi pe ni inshuti ye niyo mpamvu ari kumuvugira ntabwo yakora ibintu nk'ibi gusa ni Alex wabikoze ari kumwe na Rain bishe amaninja abiri yabagaga ibibuno by'abantu iyo ndaya ntoya rero muyishake muyinze ndika agakobwa gato Rain yise amafaranga akabwira ngo gacike
Like two?
Yep.
Rain yari ahari se yego
What happened?
cyagenze bite
You know, Roy, man, VIP.
Roy uramuzi yafashe VIP akigera muri club
Just,
aryamana n'indaya nanone yego
he ended up connecting with Felicia and I got
yahuye na Felicia yamwatse na nimero
She told me that he promised her that she was gonna work for him or something.
ndetse ngo Jules na Roy yamaze gusezeranya Felicia akazamuha n'akazi kuko bahuriye muri club akamukunda niya ndaya yita ngo ni Daddy
I need you to stay on this.
bino bintu bikurikirane ubigumeho sawa baby urayita ciao yeah katururi
Yo.
Man, Jules was asking all kind of crazy shit about you.
Like what?
You know that Shake and Dagger are dead, right?
What?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's that got to do with me?
Because you was at the club with Rain. You was with her.
Yeah, doing my job.
Yeah. The shit that hit them looks professional though.
Wait, he thinks I did it?
No, I told him no because you with me. I really don't like him.
yaje kumubwira babere kumasa n'imbere wabikoze ariko nabwiye ko atari wabikoze
Make sure
Okay.
tell him what my loyalty is.
mana umubwire ko ari umuntu nemera rwose nabikora yego rwose
Kind of crazy shit going on in his head, man. Crazy.
Sure does. Just tell me what I got to do.
Just like,
mbwira ngo iki rero wiba utuje ndaza gukomeza mucunge
Yeah.
ndakubwira ikigenda gihinduka
bring Kimmy to the office, right?
kimura muzana kuri office yego
I'll see you when you get there.
sawa tubona rero nuhagera bibi yeah
How long do we have to wait for her to come out here?
I know.
akunino
Yeah, okay.
yeah
Look at you.
Right?
Shit, she look like she know what she doing.
She do. I'm glad y'all feel it.
iya jana yamaze kwambarira akazi
They don't know no different.
I'm gonna try my best.
ndagerageza
Roy, stupid ass can make it at that company. You know.
cya kikoryo bitaro umenye ko kiri buze kuba kiri kuri company Roy yajyaga amufata ku ngufu yajyaga amukorera ibintu bibi
You look strong, big sis.
njye ndabona ratukomeye kandi se
Or you don't want me to come with you?
nawe ushaka ko tujyana
I gotta do this.
oya bino ndabyikorana nta ribi
Shit, well, you look good. Where you get that wardrobe from?
The boutique.
iyo myenda ikureze
Wait, shop.
hari boutique twagiye guhahiramo
The same
aho
thing.
urabizi nanjye ndaza kubikora mfite amafaranga
The
yahise
credit card for me.
bamfitiye credit card nanjye mfite amafaranga ndaryoshye
Nah.
rebe nanjye ngiye kujya kugura icyangwe ngagiye kujya kugura icyangwe
I'm about to get out of here. I will see y'all.
urabizi ngiye kuva hano tuze gusubira nyuma
That meeting's over.
mamagara inama nirangira
Go,
sawa
girl. Bye, y'all.
Come on, walk you out.
yeah
Oh,
Katururi.
Sylvie,
Sylvie
when I get back, we need to talk.
ningaruka turaza kuvugana wowe ni Sylvie ni karumunaki Alex ari hano mabuja yambaye agiye mu kazi agiye mu nama ni ninji bazindaya yo ku muhanda bayambitse cyangwa gihenze ngo genda uyobore company agiye mu banyamashuri arababwira iki
Thank you.
kingura umuryango ewa nubahe ibyabo bitch niko bamwita
Yeah.
Okay, well.
bari umutwara irandika imutwara sinyizera
But he been trying to prove himself.
ariko amaze igihe agerageza kutwigaragariza
You probably.
kigeze kunkubita wabona ari ubikwiriye mbere ukagukubita
And y'all don't
Baby.
for this right now. All right, I had a long night.
umva ndananiwe njyewe
Where you going?
ngiye
I want to see the horse.
ngiye kujya kuri amafarasi hano haba n'amafarasi
You know Kimmy do not want you.
urabizi ko ibi ntabwo aba yifuza kuzerera zerera ni akana mu rugo baragakana niba bagifuza ko ari ahantu kajya
But how can I relax and go to sleep?
ntabwo najya kuryama ngo ntuze nzi ko ugiye
To
kubuzerera
the barn behind
umva ngiye ku kiraro kiri inyuma y'iyi nzu kureba ifarasi
Keep an eye on it.
ok reka njye kumucunga ni akana k'agakobwa baragacunga ubwana bufite imyaka 18 n'irindwi kano gafite 17 iyo utabucunze bajya kugacunga yeah hakurino
Hey,
I
can't believe this.
ibi nabyizera tu bageze mu nama
got us with this shit.
umuginga ni gute yadushyira muri ibi bategereje ninja bageze kuba ari
He got you.
cyakora umugabo arakubabaje kabisa
Oh, now you got to admit, this son of a bitch.
twese tubyemere ko uriya mugabo ari umunyabwenge ubwo niho nasi bari kuvuga
He ain't that damn smart.
njyewe nta bwenge mubonana
Married a whore.
ibaze umuntu washingiranywe n'indaya ariko byakoze
Love her.
ibaze ko horase yashingiranywe n'indaya atanayikunda kugira ngo atubabaze
Did this shit to fuck us.
byose yabikoze kugira ngo aduhemukire ariko nyine biri gukora
Did you come here to try to depress
waje hano nawe ngo untere depresiyo
me? Here for a meeting.
cyangwa waje mu nama
Here to listen to what this
naje hano kugira ngo numve iby'iriya ndaya itarize y'umusuku tubwira
stupid she is.
uze kumva rero navuga uburyo cyari ikigoryi n'imipanga ari buzane yo kuyobora uruganda uburyo nayo ari ubugoryi umva nawe indaya kuko batoye mu migina barayibazaniye muri abanyamashuri ngize babwira ukuntu kampani yoborwa.
You know, I always got 3 or 4 trains running, but in your case, you have 3 or 4 trains being run on you.
Are you done with your stupid ass comments?
See, never let your enemy know what
umva ntukajye utuma umwanzi wamenye ikintu ugiye gukurikizaho. Nibyo.
But you know what?
Nakora bize.
Shit. It don't even
Ibyo
really.
bakora byose n'icyo bisobanuye.
Them cancer patients, they gonna make all the difference in the world.
Kuko abarwayi ba kanseri bazahindura byinshi. Iyi kampani bazayishyira hasi bikara abantu bigaragambyaga amafuta yo mu mutwe y'iyi kampani bateye kanseri.
I swear, Norman, you and your damn.
Umva we n'akagambane kawe.
Hell would I be in on it?
I don't know.
Kubera iki n'abandi muri ibyo bintu by'abo barwayi simbizi.
Can't give nobody cancer.
Je nta muntu nateye kanseri mbere na mbere.
If I could, all you.
Kuko iyo nza kuba ndutera kanseri mwese mwari kuba mwarapfuye. Sasa ngatangiye biki? Urabizi kanseri umugabo warwaye ashobora kuba arayimuteye.
Nasty little hands in there.
Je ndi kumva wagira ngo uruhare bifite ko umugabo warwaye kanseri. Mugani Holasi.
I don't know.
Sinzi.
I'm just trying to figure this shit out.
Ndi kugerageza kubyumva.
One hand, he marries.
Uruhande rumwe umugabo wawe yashyingiranywe n'indaya. Ku rundi ruhande
he's talking about this little Latin kid.
Akongera akavugana n'agahungu k'akaratino ubwo ni Angel wagira ngo aragakunda.
They did like Latin women.
Umva umugabo wanjye kuva kera akundaga abagore b'abaratino.
See, I always thought that too.
Nanjye iteka ariko nabitekerezaga ariko.
This is a man.
Hari umuhungu w'umuratino ari gukunda. Wiki?
About the boy stole his watch.
Hari agahungu yavugaga ngo kamwibiye isaha ngo niyo mpamvu yakagendaga ariko sinabyizera.
Look, it don't matter.
Kurya baramutinganye se.
Fuck it this morning.
Ariko n'ubundi yatanze itegeko ngo bamwice.
No.
Wiki?
See, I think he's just trying to cover up that Kenny shit.
Ndakeka ari kugerageza guhishira ibintu bya Kimi byo kubereye iby'imodoka.
Then
hanyuma
I think the young man pissed him off.
Cyasa ko gahungu kakaba kararakaje horasa gatanga itegeko ngo bakice. Uru gahungu muri kazima.
Black people live like this?
No.
What?
Urabizi kabirabura batuye babayeho gutya. Mukobwa Jean Muze afite urugo runini burimo ifamu y'amafarasi.
Matt.
You damn right I'm mad. I want it.
Yeah.
It's not yours.
I know, but that doesn't mean I can't want it.
You know.
Akurabizi. Je mbona witwara mu buryo budasanzwe.
I mean, this man has given us all of this.
Uyu mugabo yaduhaye ibintu byose ariko mukamera nkaho mwarakaye.
What? You have to have sex with him.
Mwararyamanye mbere ko guha ibintu byose.
Kimmy, she told me everything.
Kimi yambwiye buri kimwe ngura musaza aragukunda.
I don't have sex with him.
Ura musaza ntabwo nigeze ndyamana nawe. Naramubyiniye ndamumansurira ariko sinaryamanye nawe.
Must have been a hell of a dance.
Shamenye warabyiniye neza kugera baguha amafaranga nuko. Wacane wazibye.
Divorces.
Ngiye kwirebera amafarasi shagenda ndanakwiyemye.
Attitude.
Sohoretse kugitwaraho gutyo. Umukobwa acaho.
Hey, I saw you earlier.
Kari twaheraga ngo kamuha Sujana. Niyo bita service. Igo.
Horse is so beautiful.
Iyi farasi ni nziza naga hano karagira amafarasi mu rugo.
A horse named Duck.
Iyi farasi bayita Duck.
Mr. Belly's favorite.
Iyi niyo farasi Mr. Bell arakunda.
Anymore.
Oh yeah.
Ntabwo akitwara kubera arwaye.
Do you ride?
Uzi gutwara se?
I always wanted to.
Nawe nifuza gutwara huye n'agahungu bahora bamurinze ngo atazigera asohoka mu rugo none huye n'agasore. Surindi.
Sorry, my name is Glenn.
Banyita Glenn.
Sylvie.
Sylvie.
I like that name.
Hari cyo sina ndarikunze. Umungu uyoboye amafarasi hano yitaho.
In the summers and on the weekends.
Ngiye nkora hano muri weekend, ubundi niga muri kaminuza muri Bakari, nuko nza hano muri weekend no muri sama mu biruhuko. Papa wanje ni Jules.
Head of security.
Ni ukuri abashinzwe umutekano, uyu ni umuhungu wa Jules. Jules na ndumva araryumvise Jules niwe papa w'uyu mwana.
He runs this place. My dad runs the company.
Ukuri umutekano wa hano ni Whitman ariko papa wanje kuriye company none ishinzwe umutekano ari Jules.
Show you how to ride if you want.
Waretse ngakwereka ukuntu batwara se. Nagahungu bahuye umuhungu n'umwana wa Jules abarakomeje.
Sir.
Yakubo. Jules.
So, heard you were at the club last.
Numvise ngo wari muri club ijoro ryahise.
Yeah, I was.
Yego naho narindi.
Thought we talked about you staying away.
Twavuze kuri club ugomba kwiguma kuri.
You know I don't really give a shit, you know, because
ntabwo ibyo mbyitayeho. Je ninejeje ijoro ryahise. Byari sawa.
Remind you.
Kagwibutse.
I'm still in this business.
Iyi business ndacyayirimo.
Drink business. Stay out the club. Hey.
Iriya club ntukayisubiremo.
I'm going to go as much as I want.
Iriya club nzayijyamo n'ahandi hose nshaka kujya. Roy.
Speaking of, I need to talk to you.
Hari ikintu nshaka kubwira. Icara. Iriya club ninjoro yahuriyemo n'akaraya.
We're going to talk about the club.
Kamwita Daddy. Tukivuga ku by'iyo club.
Kimmy Billy coming over.
Ese koko Kim agiye kuza gukora hano?
She's on her way in now.
Ahubwo ari mu nzira zo kudukoresha inama.
That's some shit, ain't it?
Ibyo bintu ntabwo ari sawa sibyo?
Okay, since they all want to play games.
Ubwo bari gushaka gukina imikino hano muri company.
That's new. I want you to bring someone else in.
Nanjye hari umuntu ngira ngo uzana kore hano. Nimba Kim agiye kutuyobora nanjye hari undi muntu ngiye kuzana kore hano.
I said I was at the club, right?
Ijoro ryose ndi muri club.
You told me this morning.
Officer Trackson yabimbwiye.
There's this bitch that
hari indaya ikora muri iriya club.
at the club.
ikoramo
And I want her here.
ndayishaka muyizane hano kwari ndayakunze muri karabura agira ngo bayizane hano
Okay.
bakora Roy
Here as my assistant.
ndamushaka mbere assistant abagabo bose b'i Kigali yahuye n'agakobwa hagashya bucya kamubereye secretary ndabizi
Because she had 12 inches down the toe last night.
uriya mukobwa ijoro ryayisuze ibintu yangore hari ibintu nyine ntasubiramo ijana ku rindi kubera ukuntu birimo ubushizi bw'isoni
I'll be talking about.
umva iki kindi ndi kukubwira se
Saying. You probably wasn't just the only one.
ariko umenye ko atari wenyine uri muri iyo club ni kubwira atari n'abandi bari bamunyuze uwo mukobwa mwahuye
You cannot bring her in.
iyo ntaye ntabwo ikura ku mihanda ngo uyizane hano kubera icyo
A nice little Philly.
ndaza guhuza n'akandi gakobwa keza ko muri Philly
Don't give a fuck about no Philly joint.
umva udukobwa two muri Philly sindushaka
And I told you who I want.
uwo nshaka namukubwira uwo nshaka
Let me break
umva
it to you.
reka mbigusobanurire wumve
My father's about to die.
papa wanjye yagiye gupfa
And I want what I want.
icyo nshaka rero ndagishaka
Jules, I know you for a long time now.
Jules tuziranye igihe kinini mwana
I like you.
ndagukunda urabizi
But
ariko
please,
ndakwinginze
please don't forget who you work for.
ntiwibagirwe ugukorera
Go get somebody. Fucking do it. Okay? So go get Felicia.
nimba nkubwiye ngo genda usane Felicia
My assistant.
aza mbere assistant anyungirize secretary genda ubikore njye ndaya nayikunze uranyumva
She can't come in here.
ntabwo yaza hano gukora hano
Yes, she can.
oya yaza
Do it.
wibikora abagabo bicira gutya bagenda bangiza business zabo ahuye n'agakobwa kuko mwaryamanye kumva ko mukwiye kwita kaza muri business zawe ikuri akazi kagenda gapfa buriya wakikorera ahubwo umugabo akorera kokayine batubwiye ngo nagajya aryama ngo nagajya aruka kubera kokayine nimba kokayine ituma umuntu ataryama nibyo nazi
Yeah, that's good. Real good. Shit.
yeah yashaka kuri mu mamodoka hano hantu hari amamodoka
Yo. Yep, this is Mr. Bellery's
Yo, is this a
collection.
Lambo?
Yes, it is. Mr. Bellery said you could drive any one of these cars except for...
Can I try this one?
imodoka nayitwara
You can.
cyane
Where are the keys?
imfunguzo zayo ziri he zirimo yeah
So Mr. Bellery must be pretty fond of you, huh?
Mr. Bell menya gukunda Mr. Bell ngo yifuza ko umusore atwara izi modoka
Touch these cars, let alone drive.
Mr. Bell yajyaga atuma abahungu yabyaye bakora kuri izi modoka
Wow, the situation-
ariko yatubwiye ngo twareho nigeze kumufasha ari mu bibazo
Then, and I stepped in.
hari igihe yari ari kwibwa ndamutabara hey
Who are you?
urinde
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm Whitman.
bayita Whitman
He's head of security.
ninjye ukora abashinzwe umutekano be hano
Oh.
nawe ubwo agakurirwa na Jules
I didn't know anything about him getting robbed.
nta makuru yari afite ko muzi bigeze bagerageza kumwiba
Must be shitty if you're head of security.
bivuze rero ngo ubwo ntacyo usobanuye washinzwe umutekano we
I work directly underneath Jules.
njye nkorera munsi ya Jules
Oh, that nigga.
oh ya niga
Problem?
hari ikibazo mufitanye
You tell me.
wimubwira ahubwo
There's no problem.
nta kibazo gihari
Yes, Mr. Bellery's.
uri umushyitsi wa Mr. Bell
There to help him out.
niteguye no kugufasha
Yeah. Well,
ndashaka gutwara iyi
All right, well, we'll have a drop.
kuri Lamborghini ya Muzeni yagiye gutwara
just like that, huh?
That's how Mr. Bellery does it.
Do what you do for him.
ibyo ukora Muzehe bari byo nanjye unkorera imfunguzo ziri muri izi modoka Muzehe ngamuhaye uburenganzira ngo atware iyo ashaka Muzehe afite imodoka zidasanzwe
Thanks, man. Yo, look at this convertible.
reba kano noneho gafunguye hejuru bakita isi nisakaye
Damn.
ka dekapu zani imfunguzo zingi
nigga.
gira vuba we gira vuba niga urebe akurino
Hello?
Hello?
Are you there?
uri kunyumva
No, not yet. We're about to pull up.
wageze wapi
You ready?
Yeah.
I want to give you a little more.
nditeguye
Mallory.
She came to see me.
Mary yaje kundeba kare
Left.
ahita agenda byagenze bite
She wanted to welcome me to the family.
She brought flowers.
ngo ashaka kuma ikaze yaje nzaniye n'indabyo
If you say so.
You don't trust her.
ntabwo mwizera ariko ya
But she plays all sides to get what she wants.
My type of chick.
She's not
marora akora icyo ashoboye cyose kugira ngo akigereho
think I know how bad she is.
akeka ko ntazi ububi bwe
How are you?
none se umeze ute
Breathing.
ndacyahumeka muzari mu ndege ari kujya ahantu bamubwiye ngo bavura kanseri
Landed in about an hour.
nko mu isaha imwe ndaba mpageze nanjye
Call me as soon as you get done.
nugera mu kazi uze kumpamagara
Ugh.
ndaguhamagara
Done.
bayi ntebe yeah
Yo, butler nigga.
yo mwita batara niga muzavayo
Sir, I prefer if you call me James.
ujye unyita James
James.
James Niga
First said you had a credit card from
ahora semwe ngufitiye ikarita ya banki.
I'm told you're going shopping. Shall I call ahead?
Bari babwiye ngo urajya kugura imyenda mbahamagara imbere se. Bana musige muhamagara mbere se yuko magera ngo mubabwire ko nje kugura imyenda. Mukubita ikarita ya banki.
This in my name?
Yes. Izina ryanjye cyane.
Wait. Who gonna take the bill?
Uretse fagitire barayihana.
Mr. Bellery's account.
Amafaranga arafa kuri konti ya Mr. Bellery. Ntugire ikibazo.
For real?
Koko. Cyane.
What's the limit?
Nange ntagomba kurenza.
Mr. Bellery set one.
Mr. Bellery ntabwo ajya ashyira amafaranga utagomba kurenza. Wewe wisanzure.
No sir, I'm not.
Bikugirisha oya.
And I can shop like I want?
Nagura ibintu byose ushaka cyane jya kugura icyangwe cyose ushaka. Biramurenga.
How long on this damn car, man?
Well, they're dusting it off right now. It'll be up.
Imodoka iratwara igihe kingana iki bari kuyikuraho ivumbi niwe bayikuzanira. Do. Bana, voka yimbwa imanutsi wari umumansuzi yihuriye n'umusaza. Iki kigoryi ni igisasi.
Hey, you got some champagne, nigga James?
Ase man, nta ka champagne mufite hano se ngo ngwereke. Atangira no kunywa utuntu tw'udushampanye atatumenyereye. Abarara nicyo kibazo cyabo babonye amafaranga batangira kunywa ibintu batamenyereye. Nkaretse tukigumira ku bintu byacu tumenyereye. Za fimbo. Siga. Ingwe jini yatse imodoka hano. Agiye kubyimba imodoka z'umusazi wana ndabamara. Kandi bamucungishije umwana wibuke bari bamucungishije ngo yite kuri Sylvie none yamusize arigendeye. Ako Sylvie n'ubundi ari mu rugo ari mu mafarasi. Acho. Uyirinjira. Mabujuru mubona ariko. Iki company yabo bayita Beauty in Black. Jules.
Yes, ma'am.
Yego mabuja. Kumubona ariko kunaza mu kazi yambaye ikinini cya penicillin. Bebe.
Roy had me remove her.
You did so without asking me.
Just trying to keep the peace.
Where's Calvin?
Calvin ari.
Same situation, ma'am.
Nawe ari mu bibazo ari muri situation nk'iyi.
Idiot driving me that doesn't know where the hell he's going.
Ikigori kimwamaye gukintwara nicyo kizi naho kintwara. Calvin baramwirukanye. Bamutwaraga.
His body and ass juice. And you have him driving me?
Guta umuntu nkuriye nuka umubwira ngaza ntwari. Ndagushakira umushoferi mushya. Ni gutya tugiye kujya dukora.
You gonna have these old ass niggas driving me around?
Kutunzana utusore utugabo dushaje ngo tuntware menya bayishakira udusore tukiri tutumutwara.
Like a fucking trash.
Ariko yatojwe iki se kutojwe gumura ngumwanda.
It's good to see you.
Kiza kubona.
You here already anyway?
Ndi kucyuri hano.
I'm here to greet the new CEO.
Ndi hano kugira ngo tuze CEO mushyashya wacu ni boss mushyashya ngo ni CEO.
COO downstairs curbside.
Wajya ukamusuriza hanze se akayita ugende.
No, I'm not.
Bitch, I'm the boss here.
Umva ninjye boss hano.
Why don't you go greet the whole
iyo ndaya wapashe ro igendo yisuhuze
curbside?
None dore ubu ngubu twese igiye kutubera aba boss.
Yes, ma'am.
Yego mabusha.
Come up here hiding. Think I'm fucking stupid? I run this bitch.
Iyo ndaya igomba kumenya ko ari njye uyoboye igiye kuza.
Hiding.
Sinago nihisha ariko ngo yaje yishe. Uyaragoye ni ukureba umutekano w'aba bantu n'umuryango n'ibigo byose byabo. Ni Jules. Buri umwe mubwira ibyo ashaka. Kubaze kari kwinjiza.
Attorney Varney.
Avoka Varney.
Well, hello.
Muraho.
Where is she?
Ari he?
She's not here yet.
Ntagarahagera.
Oh, she's not here.
Ntagarahagera. Ibaza ariko bagiye no kumutegereza. Yakererewe.
How much I love that.
Uzi uburyo mbikunda.
Well, I'm sure she'll be here.
Ndakeka vuba bidatinze arabageza.
We'll be late.
Vuba nabwo no gucererwa.
And on her first day.
Ni umunsi wa mbere.
Today she's already annoying the shit out.
Ibaza umunsi wa mbere atangiye kuturakaza tumutegereza.
How you gonna handle this?
Byose nimuze babibwira mukobwa muze gucererwa barakari babanze bisazenga indani gute tuma tuyitegereza.
I vomit in my mouth every time I look at her ass.
Nzajya ndukabura uko nzajya mureba. N'umupango mwiza.
So that she went shopping.
Uzi ko ngo yagiye kugura imyenda sha.
Didn't know.
Lau called me
for a week. Lau bamamagaye. Ngo yaguze imyenda y'ibihumbi 124.
Sounds like somebody else I know.
Ameze neza nk'amafaranga ujye ukoresha. Ku makoti 5.
Gotten 6.
We kandi wajya kubikoresha ku makoti 6.
I'm sorry, forgive me.
Dumb bitch, she even bought all the wrong things.
None yaguze n'ibyenda bibi. Araza kuza sa nk'imbobo.
Testing everything I know about myself.
Mallory, I'm sure you'll be fine.
I will be fine.
Naye batangiye kwituga ngo yatangiye no kujya guhahira ahantu marora hahira.
But is everyone in place?
Yeah. Everyone's gathered in.
Abantu bose baje yego.
Meet her as she comes.
Abantu bose bahuriye kuri lobby hasi kugira ngo esanseri nifunguka yinjiye baze kumwakira.
I didn't get this shit when I
Cyeto ntabwo nabikora ntabwo najya kwahagarara.
told them to do that.
Your father-in-law sent an email.
Papa wawe yohereje email rero abivugana ko so ubukwe. Yohereje email avuga ngo mwese n'itegeko uriya mukobwa naza muri company muze kuba mumutegerereje kuri lobby asohoke muri esanseri mumwakira na yombi. Biga n'itegeko.
Shit.
Muze hari kubagura.
Is Roy here?
Roy ari hano.
I heard he's here.
Numvishe gari hano.
You trying to avoid him?
Uri kugerageza kumukwipa ariko Roy kubera yamufashe yaramwivumburiye ko yari umutinganye.
With you.
Acyari gutesha umutwe.
Don't never stop.
Ntago azigera arekera.
Barney, let me tell you something. The only way it'll stop.
uburyo bino bigomba guhagarara nuko nawe wahagarara kubihisha kuri umutinganyi.
Because I work for the family.
Nkorera famiye yanyu ntabwo nahita mvuga rero ngo nicyamana n'umuhungu wo muri famiye yanyu ngo turi couple.
Well, I'm a student.
Ndacyameze nk'umunyeshuri kubyiga. Sawa.
Here?
Charles yaje.
I don't know.
Simbizi.
You don't know?
Ntabyo uzi.
It sounds like you do know, but the way.
Birasa nkaho ubizi nkurikije uburyo uvuze.
Needed to be here this morning.
Namubwiye ko agomba kuza hano mu gitondo.
So you nudged him or you texted him?
Ntabwo wamwandikiye se.
Well, just calm down, jeez. Just relax.
Tuzambwira.
Shall we go out in the lobby?
Tujye kuri lobby kwakira umukire.
No.
I'm going to show you how to deal with trash in the most.
Ndaje nkwereka uburyo rero umwanda bawitaho kandi mu buryo bwiyubashye. Wiyita umwanda ubwo ni COO mushya waje.
Sure. You want to do this?
This is my shit. And if this bitch wants to come in here and play with the big
Kaya kumwe nigashaka kuza hano kigeza kahatari.
I'll go while I sit here and make her wait.
Okay.
Muze.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen Angel and Sylvie?
Angel na Sylvie abonye na.
Angel is out.
Angel yagiye kugura imyenda.
And where is Sylvie?
Sylvie sari he ko nabasigaye.
In the stables.
Sylvie ari mu kiraro.
By herself?
Wenyine umwana wacu ari wenyine mu kiraro.
Mr. Glenn.
Uyu ari kumwe na Mr. Glenn.
It's Glenn.
Mr. Glenn ninde?
He's a stable boy.
Ni umuhungu wita ku mafarasi, ni umuhungu umwana mwiza. Ku mwana wacu imyaka 17 ngo urebe yavayo.
Damn, these people.
Bano bantu nabasazi banzani. Igiye ruka ngagiye kureba Sylvie. Sylvie baramucunga shaho baramukanira.
Is she? She's on her way in.
Ari nagaraza.
You were supposed to pick her up.
Twari tuzi kujya kumuzana.
I got pulled away.
Oya ntago ari ngiye babinkuyeho.
Where's Mallory?
Mallory ari he?
Who gives a shit?
Ninde subyitaye ahaye. Bose baje no gutegereza.
This room is as thick as it comes.
Charlie, feel it?
Ibintu byakomeye hano ndi kubyumva.
Be careful.
Wirinde. Mukira arinjira mabuja mushya. Bebe. Wana dore kumwakirana urugwiro n'itegeko muze yatanze. Chief Operating Officer mushya COO. Arinjiye. Mallory nawe avuye kumwakirana urugwiro nta numwe umwishimiye. Nta murakoze. Bebe.
Welcome.
Karibuni.
Don't you look beautiful? Thank you.
Ntagusa neza.
So
Urakoze.
glad
Twese turishimye.
that you could join us.
Kuje ko twiyungaho.
Join you?
Biyungaho?
Yes.
Yego, uje kutwiyungaho.
I'm gonna lead you.
Nje kubayobora. Ntabwo nje kubiyungaho ntabwo nje gukorana namwe nje kubayobora.
The bitch has got teeth.
Iriya nyana yimbwira avuga.
Yeah.
Ngo twishimiye ko uje gukorana natwe ntabwo nje gukorana namwe nje kubayobora. Uyu mukobwa afite amagambo.
New CO.
Uyu niwe CEO mushya wacu.
Thank you. My name is.
Amazina yanjye banyita Kimi.
Refer to me as.
Ariko mwese mujye muyita Madamu Berari. Umva kubarakaza.
All the shareholders are present. And the board.
Abanyamigabane bose bari hano ndetse n'icyumba cy'inama kirateguye.
Right this way.
Hakuno ino duce hano. Mukobwa afite amagambo.
I want to see my office.
Mbere yuko nza mu nama ariko mbanze ajye kureba ofisi yanjye. Mva kubamenyera. Tujye kugutegereza.
Right this way.
Ngwino nkwereka ofisi yawe. Oya.
I want him to.
Uriya ndagira ngo abari unyereka ofisi yanjye. Umwe wajya kumusuzugura wamuguraga. Umugabo wawe nabari ujye kunyereka ofisi yanjye. Ibaza indaya bajya kugura uyiha 5 2 uyikubita. Roy igatangira kugukoresha cyane ujye kunyereka ofisi yanjye mu mitungo ya papa wawe babyita kwisubiza ikuzo. Roy kandi agira umujinya bose barabizi barabari indayara nimwe twajyaga ducunaguza. Barumirwa.
Everyone back to work, please.
Mwese musubire mu kazi kanyu. Urebe nama ya board igiye guterana. Ariko umukobwa no kumutegereza mu cyumba cy'inama afite kubanza gukora ofisi yakabanza kiryagagura. Ntega.
You met Kimmy.
Kimmy murahuye?
She's a little stronger than I thought.
Uriya mukobwa arakomeye kurusha uko nabitekerezaga.
Then you know how to handle strong.
Suzi kwita ku bantu bakomeye.
Breaking bitches is my pleasure.
Kurimbura indaya nicyo kintu cya mbere kinezeza. Ndaje ngere ukuntu murimbura. Uvunagura. Urebe. Sasu yavayo. Ugeze no umuntu uri gutaka. Nimba ari umuntu bari gukubita, ugeze no umuntu uri gutaka. Asa yirukanka arebe ni ibiki. Ageze aha. Ibi ni ibiki. Yasanze abakobwa basuje bamuri hejuru. Burya abana banyu nimukabone wanyu bakanira cyane nuko baba babona ko bari ku iminota 2. Iminota 2 bamurekuye isa ryamana n'umusore bahuye bwa mbere. Bebe. Dore ngo aramanura umwana wa Juruzi kuri etage. Kuringaramana umwana wa Juruzi kuri etage nimba ari gufata umuntu ku ngufu. Bebe. Arapfuye. Umwana wa Juruzi arapfuye. Juruzi turamuzi. Nibandi. Rain yishe umwana wa Juruzi. nawe undebere ndaje turebe izindi episode.